Hello, Mrs. Webb here. I hope you're okay. I thought we could do something really fun today, and it's something that we need to do with our mouths. I've got some pictures, and when we look at those pictures, we're going to use our mouths to make a sound. Okay, have you got your listening ears ready? Okay, are your mouths ready? Excellent. Let's begin. So we have got in our first picture a bee. And when we see that, the sound that we're going to make with our mouths is zzz, zzz. Should we do that one together? Zzz, zzz. Excellent. Can you do that one by yourself? I'm going to use my listener to hear you do it. Are we ready? Excellent. Well done. The next sound that we are going to do is this one. It's for a slide. And the sound that we're going to make with our mouths is wee. Wee. Let's do that one together. Wee. Wee. Excellent. Can you do that one now by yourself? I'm going to listen to you. Excellent. That makes me feel really happy that you're following that too. Right, this one, it's a clock. And the sound that we need to make with our mouths is tick, tock, tick, tock. Should we do that one together? Tick, tock, tick, tock. Brilliant. Now can you do that one by yourself? Let me listen. Brilliant. Well done. The next one we're going to do is for the snake. And the sound that we need to make is s, s. Let's do that one together. S, s. Now can you do that one on your own? Let me listen. Wow, you're really good at these. We've got a ball here, and the sound that we need to make using our mouths is boing, boing. Should we do that one together? Ready? Boing, boing. I want to hear you now. Ready? Excellent. Right, the next sound that we're going to make, this is our train. And the sound that we make with our mouths is ch, 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 ch. Should we do that one together? Are you ready? Ch, 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 ch. Now, I want to hear you doing that all by yourself. I'm going to listen. Excellent. This picture is a picture of a cow. Now the sound we're going to make, it's a gentle sound, okay? So it sounds like this. Moo, moo. Should we do that one together? Moo, moo. Right, now I'm going to listen for you doing that sound. Are you ready? Okay. Brilliant. Now there are two more sounds that we can make with our mouths. I haven't got a picture for these sounds, so you just need to use your listening ears and follow me. So the first sound that we're going to make is this sound. Shh, shh, shh. Should we do that one together? Ready? Shh, shh. Now I want to hear you doing it all by yourself. Are you ready? Fantastic. And the last sound that we are going to make is ooh, ooh, ooh. Can you see my mouth? Can you do that with me? Ooh, ooh. Excellent. Now I want you to do that sound all by yourself, and I'm going to use my listening ears. Ready? Brilliant. Do you know what, boys and girls? That was fantastic. I could see that you were really listening and you were following all the sounds with your mouth. Well done. Bye.